I'll show you guys briefly how to set up the Eufy Video Doorbell E340 with the Chime. This doorbell is packed with 2 cameras, so you can see the front of your door to the floor. It's got 2K picture quality, spotlights, 8GB local storage, color night vision. You can have it battery operated or wired. And the best feature is that there is no monthly fees. I'll briefly go through what you get inside the box. A pin to mount off your Eufy doorbell, stickers and a quick start guide, mounting bracket with a 15-degree mount adapter. Attach the plug adapter on the Eufy Chime. Face up, mount and twist. You got USB Type-C charge cable, wired electric doorbell connectors, fixing mount screws, and finally the Eufy E340 doorbell. Right, once it's mounted, at the top is where you insert the pin to release. 2 screws for the wired electrical option, sync button to connect to the app, USB Type-C port to charge the battery, top and bottom LED spotlight, and you can go ahead and pull out the label to activate the battery. I'll go with the battery option for now to test this out. Right, so install the Eufy Security app, sign up. Once you're in, add device, click on Video Doorbell, allow permissions, scan the QR code printed on the back of the Eufy doorbell, connect with your Wi-Fi or your Eufy home-based system, allow location, hold down on the sync button until it beeps. Shine your doorbell camera to your QR code on your phone.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait. Setup was successful.
Either choose battery or wired option. From here, follow the instructions to fully set up the doorbell. So now that the doorbell is fully set up with the app, let's go ahead and set up the chime. If you need to expand the storage, make sure you insert a class 10 good quality micro SD card. Reset button on the side and the sync button on the top. Right, to add the Eufy Chime, press on the plus button, video doorbell, mini bass chime, scan the QR code located at the bottom of the chime. Before you plug in, make sure the chime is located between the doorbell and your broadband router.
Welcome to Eufy Security. Follow the instructions in Eufy Security app to set up the system.
Hold down on the sync button.
Wi-Fi doorbell chime is ready for setup.
And now follow the steps to connect to your Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi doorbell chime was added successfully.
So the capacity of the micro SD card, make sure it's from 16 to 128 GB. Update the firmware and you're ready to go. In my next Eufy video, I'll carry out some tests and show you its app features. Stay safe guys, peace.